Do you know what is in my hand? Let me introduce you to this Himalayan Pink Salt Brick, a 100% natural product, renowned for its incredible health and wellness benefits. Himalayan salt bricks are highly valued for their healing properties, particularly for individuals dealing with respiratory conditions such as asthma and various skin allergies. They are also known to help reduce stress and anxiety levels, promoting overall physical and mental well-being. How are Himalayan salt bricks used? These Himalayan salt bricks and salt tiles are used as construction material. These versatile bricks are commonly installed in halotherapy rooms, salt rooms, salt caves, spas, saunas, salt therapy centers, salt chambers, and salt massage rooms, among many other wellness facilities. Their natural properties create a therapeutic environment that supports relaxation, healing, and rejuvenation. Who are we? We are Sun Overseas Company, a trusted manufacturer, supplier, and exporter of premium quality Himalayan salt bricks, salt tiles, and a wide array of Himalayan salt products. Our products are 100% natural, sourced directly from the authentic Himalayan salt mines in Pakistan. We export bulk and wholesale Himalayan salt products to the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, Europe, Russia, and China, offering competitive pricing, top quality, and fast global shipping. If you are looking for a reliable Himalayan salt supplier and exporter, Sun Overseas Company is your go-to partner. We are here to help you source the finest Himalayan salt products for spas, wellness centers, restaurants, and more. Contact us today to learn more about our products, pricing, and bulk order options. Let us be your preferred partner in delivering premium Himalayan salt solutions to your business. We ensure reliable and timely delivery to your destination port. You can find our contact details in the description box below this video. Thank you very much for watching.